Tokyo weather: snowstorm smashes Tokyo for first time in 4 years. Snow blanketed Tokyo today, forcing Japanese authorities to issue the first heavy snow warning in the city for 4 years. Warnings currently stretch from Oshima Chiho on Japan's west coast, all the way down to Hokubu. Train services were curtailed and some highways were closed today, January 22, as icy roads were causing traffic accidents. Some 250 flights from Tokyo's Haneda airport were cancelled. One woman told national broadcaster NHK, "It's really a pity the flight was cancelled earlier in the day, as I've travelled here using paid holidays." Another said, "I never thought I'd see snow in Tokyo." Snowfall in Tokyo is not a particularly freak occurrence, though it is unusual for the snow to settle rather than quickly melt. Pictures coming out of the capital show crowds of people crammed into Shibuya Station as they make their way home, while others show thick snow in the grounds of the Imperial Palace. NHK offered detailed recommendations for coping with the weather, including wearing boots with heavy treads, heading home early and not walking with hands in coat pockets in case of slips and falls. It was reported that universities have postponed entrance exams that were due to be held on Tuesday morning. Meanwhile, Tokyo Electric Power Company Holdings called for households and corporations to save power as electricity demand rises when the temperature falls. A disaster management center in the Prime Minister Shinzo Abe's office was collating information on the situation. "We will respond to this based on various scenarios," Chief Cabinet Secretary Yoshihide Suga told a news conference. "We call on all citizens to keep informed about the latest conditions and beware of transport delays."
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.